do this video to talk to my friends. If you see me and if you see my mood now, you're gonna say I did very heartbroken. I did very, very heartbroken. My heart is bleeding. And person we never lost person, I don't know the pain. But if you don't go through this very road, most especially when it's still there very fresh, now you go know the kind of pain I be. I am very, very pain. Edokpayi no who Ebagua. I am very, very pained and I am very, very disappointed. Only God knows I tell you survive. Since when this thing happened, I did manage myself. Make this video not too long because I don't want to make it too long. First and foremost, I want to send this message to my friend. She was my best friend. The only friend I was having before today. Yes, she was a best friend because I know the person where they pack friend. Izzy lost say. And the person will be say I dey protect my space. I sabi protect my space because I get pepper body. I not sabi pretend. And the person will not sabi pretend. If I dey follow you, they play na all body. And if anything happen, you go see am all over me. I no go pretend about am. Na so God take create me. Because of that, I dey protect my space. I'm a friend to everybody. A friend to everybody. And a friend to none. That's my person. My friend, they on live. Ebony, this one are for you. You dey live video. Why I'm going to be using the word was, because now that same word now you use. Say, I was your best friend. I was your friend. I don't know if you don't know the meaning of was. You use that word, I was. So that is why I am using it the way you used it. That you were my friend, my best friend. Izzy wrote on a platform and tagged me that you told me that if our sister mentioning her name alone, it scatter my head. To come they mention her name, it scatter my head. I don't feel mention her name. Say our late sister. Say you tell me, say make she not enter my brother's shower. Say if she come, you know go come. And you they use the word for your live video say, if me they comfortable to go tell Izzy that kind of thing. Say you don't know what me and Izzy talk reach there. When I go to tell them that kind of thing. So if your friend they comfortable to tell them that kind of thing, make I come debunk her. You say make I come debunk her, make I come prove her. And at the same time, you they agree, say yes, you talk her. I know the person, my dear friend. Okay, she later corrected it. Okay, I know the person. We no go fit talk to anybody where I say na my friend. I no go fit talk to them direct, face to face. I can't go talk the matter for back. I know the person like that. That is why I cannot keep a friend I cannot easily express my feeling to. I know if you keep that kind of friend. And I believe that is the reason my friendship with you is still very much intact. You see the other day when the issue of camera come out. Now live video I for ask you questions. Now live video. Now live video. Now for tell you say, babe, person they insult me and my husband. And the person they claim saying they fight for you. You could not come out to come and tell the person, please don't insult these people. They are my family. I didn't send you. And we trashed it out on live video that day and everything was done. That is me for you. I'm not Sabi. The reason why they bring it out on live video, I would have like, let me call you and ask you some questions. But as far as you don't come out for Facebook, you don't do social media, and you don't iron out for social media, it is best for me to come out on social media and give you an answer. In case you are forgetting, my friend, we were having issue with our friends, our colleagues on this social media. The issue not be issue where people don't know. Even a non-Benin person heard about it, say we get issue. And at the end of the day, you talk about my videos, whether they share, they go so. Say, then Izzy insulted me on live video, spoiled my name on live video, and everybody they share the live video and everything. You talk and just now. Yes. Yes. Which was, it was like that. Everybody see, everybody know. If two people they quarrel, wetin go pain this one? This one go do unto this one. Wetin go pain this one go do unto this one. Though all the time when we take quarrel, I know to talk. I know to talk that time. I only came out to do a live video once, and that once I spoke my mind and forget about the issue. Then, after all the old kata, the old problems, after all the old fighting and quarreling, now me get the voice, now me get all the video that they share, they go. Every year that they share, and now me get them, now my voice. Now me, now I still come out, can't do apology. I apologize to Daddy AK, and I apologize to every other person when I feel say me with a girl issue. Whether na me wrong go, whether na them wrong go, I apologize to everybody and ask everybody, let's move on. This life not get duplicate, nothing dey life. After then, we really start to the play. We can't start to the play, they ask of each other, they, you know, everything can go on well. Then it got to the time of my marriage. Before then, yes, before then, after I don't apologize to everybody for social media, our godfather can't call us, called my husband, called me, called Daddy AK, and my husband can say Ebony should be there as well. And my husband called you. We all went to our godfather's house. Now all of us godfather. We go there. As we reach there, both Sandra, then Izzy is not around. Izzy is not in Nigeria. Sharon is not in Nigeria. We went there. And everybody talked their grievances. Everybody talked their grievances. Everybody talked what they made the divorce. And that very day, we settled everything. We all drank and ate together that day. And we left. Ever since, things they okay. When it can't reach my marriage, based on, say, we don't play, Festina Peter called me. When she called me, say, Mama, I beg, I want join your bridal shower. I want make a day your bridal shower. Me and our late sister, we will go there our bridal shower. And our darling late sister constantly call me say, Mama, I go there Nigeria that time. I go there. So keep my costume, the dress where you sew, keep my own for me. I said, okay, no problem. Then during this time, I know very well, say, my friend and our late sister and Festina and Izzy, they never see they in good terms. They never see they talk. So I can't tell my friend, say, babe, because I know my friend as she be. She's a very straightforward person. The way she they want, and so she go talk and say, see as I want. And I be person where they respect friendship. I they respect friendship. So I told my friend, I say, Festina, Peter and our dear darling sister, so they said they would do my brother shower. I say, make I let you know. I beg. I know, say, una never they talk. This is an opportunity. This is an opportunity for everybody to come together. Forget about it. Nobody where the matter no affect. Me when they talk, so the matter affects me. Where even till now they share man is one of the things. On ane gwale bina, ane gwale zo, manoma ona tell me not die my yola wa. It's one of the things. So shit do happen. It don't happen. Forgiveness is of the heart. I am not forcing you to do what you don't want to do. But based on say this time, na my brother shower day, and they say that they come. I beg my friend, let's use this opportunity to settle everything. And my friend told me she don't want to. Everybody is entitled to their opinion. What thing they do to me, the way they hurt me, I don't know as they hurt her. What did me do to them, the way they hurt them, me no know. Now I know I come up by the way they hurt me, I don't already let go. I don't forget. And I believe say the way my own they hurt them, they don't let go, they don't forget. That's why they say they want day my brother shower. After our godfather don't settle, I say no come up for their mind, they don't want red. They don't want rest. Maybe they for not say they want come. It was a privilege and I was happy when they told me they were coming. But because I respect friendship, first person when I consider was my friend. Say, my friend are these people, they never they talk. Let me talk to my friend. I didn't tell them like that. I called my friend and I told her, babe, see you. And my friend told me, no. If they are there, she will not come. I won't lie. I begged my friend, say, please, if at all, because of me. She said no. Because if they did it, they think go use that thing, look at. They think go talk indirect on her. A fight, think go bust, and at the end of the day, very shall go spoil. I say, can't you? They not go do that because me and these people, we spoke a length, and they were like, Mama, we not did that one again. We not did that one again, Mama. We don't, everything don't come off our men. Maybe they play, we all are one. And when they told me, I was happy. Oh, I go call my friend, make I tell her. And I told my friend, say, these people, they don't even did that one again. She said no, because now she know the gravity of the pain they caused her. I cannot force her. And I said, okay, what will I do now? What will I tell them? Because I don't go fit tell them, say, no, may they not come. May they not join my brother's shower. I don't go fit tell them because they come up for their house, come meet me for house, come say they want to join. I don't fit tell them, say, I don't agree. What I can't talk, say, custom. What be this one they come? What I want to tell them, say, custom, say, may they not come. So I can't say, I go tell them, say, now you say you don't want. She said yes. She said yes. Babe, in case you are forgetting, you say, I go tell them, say, you say, you say, babe, tell them, say, now me say, I know what made them come. That is it. Even may even say now me I'll call it. Hold on. When may even say now I'll call it deny waiting I talk. I know fit. I respect friendship. The time of quarrel. Now me and Ebony day. We dey console ourselves. Now the truth and nothing but the truth. Now me and now we day. And at the end of after the settlement, I want us to settle together, everybody to settle together. And I try to drag my friend along. We went to our godfather. We did everything. And I tried all this where people, they write me, say, I would see Ebony and them, Festina and our late sister. They know they talk, lady also settle them together. I will say, okay, yes, I will. And all this time, I did talk to my friend. Say, babe, forget. It don't happen. It don't happen. I know how many times they shared my voice record and everything. Even the one where Izzy do when she they play my voice record, the one where she do when they play my voice record, they talk with. Why are they doing this? Because they want to make sure say the settlement where we settle make it be say the thing no work. That is the plan of the enemy. So you see, okay, these people don't play. They don't be one now. We go they make sure say we go they play the voice record every now and then take the hot lady of so that this their settlement in no work. I am not a person like that. Ask people around me, they will tell you, I am my father's daughter. If I say no, my no is no, you can't force me. If I say no, there is nothing you can do about it. And before I say no, have it in mind that it don't reach here. I know they quit, they say no. Now me they swallow poison with shame. Na me imana seti ye kwere poezi mario ma we no ma oga bali ma be bet ma ye bi o na we dey do am. But when I not say no, just get her for me. I say a lady osongi we no or they no because all kind okay no time we no because he got money as that boy who set it on. So I believe it's good. I respect each and everyone's wish. Do you understand? So all this time, I was talking to my friend said, no. Not be you want to tell me when I want to do anything. If it comes from my mind, I go do it. Just lady of song, leave me alone. I said, okay, what do you want me to tell? They say, now me. Babe, if they forget, that is what you told me. And this time, first Peters was disturbing me. Mama, when I want to carry my dress, Mama, you say you want put me for group because we had a group then. I created a group, everybody did the group. Mama, you not put me for group. Mama, you not put me for group. Mama, put me for group now. Mama, I don't know another work. I say, babe, I beg, chief, no worry, relax first. And at the end of the day, when a friend can't give me the go ahead to tell they say, now me say no. Now you be my friend, you be my best friend. I have the right to say this is what I want. I said, me they not call your bridal shower. I said, okay. And that was it. Now, our late sister of Esther Peter, now I tell Izzy, you are here. If you are alive here, you can hear me. I know carry phone call Izzy. Say Izzy, come oh. And my friend say, make no, because Izzy was not in Nigeria. Izzy not there. They don't talk and say, I want to Izzy. I only told our late sister and Festina, see, I beg, I dey respect friendship. We all are friends. You know, say my friend, she get the way she take they do her thing. All these things are me with and they arrange and they consist. I know what made that day come, make she not come dead there. I know what if she not come dead there, the thing not go. I not go there okay. While I will go for the bridal shower. Mona no worry. So they were like, you see, Mama, you see, and I said, me with the source we not there for quarrel again. Not see, okay, no problem. Not be say with the quarrel. Since you want to respect your friend, Izzy, God bless you, my darling. Since you want to respect your friend, you say I like her. As you want to respect your friend, no problem. We not go come. But what of the marriage? May we still not come because me I make sure say I put my ticket for when you want to do your marriage. That is our late sister. And they talk now. Say, Mama, now because of this your marriage, I put my ticket for this time when I take home. So now for day. May I not see come your marriage. I say, don't worry. Hold on. I will get back. I called my friend again. I said, babe, this thing hurts me. Oh, it pay me. Not say not pay me. But I do it for you. They go come marriage. They won't come carry as should be. I know if you say they don't come marriage. And she told me, I don't say, she said, may they come. I don't say they don't come marriage.
Block that
leave her, may they talk to them. And she told me, say, no problem, may they come marriage. Since marriage now for everybody. Now general public they come. Not be saying a set of your friend. Since now marriage. And may they come now. May they come. Not say they don't come. I say, okay, thank you. I thank her and I called Sharon. I say, Sharon, we don't talk. I don't tell her. She said, no problem. So now I can't carry clothes. Now the way I take the respect friendship, now be this. You understand? I can't say, okay, no problem. They can't really carry clothes. Now so it happen. Now so it happen. So for my friend to they say she was my friend, say me, I was your friend, I was your best friend. If my friend can't talk to you easy, for you to even they use that word, baby, I am disappointed. I am really, really disappointed for you to they use that word. Say she was my friend, or if she tell Izzy, if I should come and debunk it. No, now. That's it happen be that. Then, my people, I am here to say one more word. Whether you vex for me or whether you not vex for me or I don't care. But I go first talk on the way it be. If you like vex for me, my friend. If you like vex for me. We spoke a few days ago. About 2-3 days ago. We spoke. And as we talk, you know what you tell me? You say, babe, even though say me and our late sister not they play. If to say maybe they call me. If to say maybe they call me, come tell me say, Ebony, our late sister want put to bed and nobody to take care of her. You would have be available to do that for her. You will go there, you will take care of her. And maybe if that 3 weeks, 1 month to spend, after that time, you go carry your bag, you go tell her, say, I don't take care of you, our quarrel continue. What did I do? I bust up and I tell you, say, you be witch. I said, you be witch. We started laughing. I said, why you go say our quarrel continue? You don't go take care of her and the quarrel don't say. He said, no, quarrel don't say our quarrel continue. And we laugh over it. We laugh and we cried. My dear sister. Edo was your ma ta mama wa koma wia. Osio ma be tema ta mama. Enyo bara gbona na ma emie wa gbon de. Edo we mi no ma emie. O ma e hian seba. O ma e hian seba ni. You understand me now? Any matter zo. If you really go and settle with your second enemy, you don't know anything. What mind now what we want make una see now they see. One sometimes what give me bugwale amuwa. What give me bugwamuwa cause say owo na na to onwa mana siwa wa you hear me. Oh, why you hear me because of time we so big. Me go settle with your second and everything. Where is it here? I'll work here and way. I'll wear all the way. I mean, no beg any, you beg eh. In winner no magi why am you bow, woman am you back, one am you walk pass away. Why eke? Wama ye nothing with yen wamo ye magbuwa. Mudian do agwale no amu with social media. Mudia no do agwale music no amu. It then don't know bottom away. So beni meje. E do here ya tonona. E do here ya time. Beni meje. Ioma ari ale gino. Megale guve na meo ini zabo. No bie ma wuto fija. O ma no bie o ma wuto fija. Anyone make have wi ma yare ya book mo. Me no say me so na mo wu e. Wa wa mu wu e eni the only thing no do ma we o here ri degbe mi o na de. O eni no do ma be mu wu mi o we ro. A we me bi te awon ga wu. O pise no de o we gbe ri ade. O do tu o ma we to ma pe o ri jore do atu o ma. E ge ado ma. Because o ma gi o me webo 10 years, 15 years, I mean, I ziegbe or ire ale gogo. I will just allow boy I will move na ege adoma. Even though ya doma no your ma vie where I give me the denede. Dele oye, emi obe ero. Ami wa mekin agu. Oloka wo atita. Bete ni onita. I onu wagume himia. Wagume himia. Wagume himia. Emi opara gbona na me emi ede. I make nana gui na naidolo. Ero. Ona threaten you. Ona threaten you life. Ona wi ragboa. Adiye du magu o magboa. Eti we maya ewe maya wu. Osaloboa no. Osaloboa o zewu yero o save you. Eti we. Oma na lelewe gui woe ana you no tene da magbe ona we ya agbo wa mi ni oma